this video I'm going to show you the operation of the Jandy Pro Series TruClear saltwater system. And the first thing to note is that the salt level must be at 3,000 parts per million. You want to make sure you check your salt level before you turn on the TruClear salt system. This pool here is reading 3.27 or 3,300 parts per million, so this one's fine. You're also going to need 20 gallons per minute of flow. So if you're running a variable speed pump with the TruClear system, you want to make sure that the RPMs are set high enough to get 20 gallons per minute through. I would say an RPM of 1750 or higher would be sufficient. When you initially get the TruClear system installed, it's going to start up on standby mode. I'll show you that right now. Another thing to note is that the system won't come on until the pool pump turns on. So you're going to see a blank screen here, and that's perfectly normal when the pool pump is off. When you first turn on the TruClear saltwater system, it's going to be on standby mode. Simply hit the power button. That'll get it out of standby mode into operation mode. The screen should say chlorinating 100%. You can lower down the chlorination production with this down arrow button or the minus key. You can also raise it up with the plus arrow. Once you've reached the desired level, go ahead and hit the select to lock it in. If you want to put the unit back in standby mode, just hit the power button. If you want to put it back in operation mode, hit the power button again. If you want to turn the unit off completely, you hold the power button down for 6 seconds. It'll turn the unit off completely. To superchlorinate, you press the plus button and the select button together. This will run for 24 hours. You can cancel it by hitting the back button. If you have a very small pool or you don't need a lot of chlorine in your pool, you can put it in low production mode by holding the minus and select together. This will put it down to 10%. Note that this won't cancel out until you hit the back button to cancel it. You can also enter the setup menu by holding the plus and minus down for 6 seconds. In this menu you can change the language. You can also change the polarity reversal time. It comes factory set to reverse every 5 hours. This helps keep the calcium buildup off the cell. If you live in an area where there's a lot of hard water, you may want to reduce the reversal time to every 3 hours. You can simply scroll from 5 to 3 hours and then go ahead and hit select to set it. And you can do the same thing with the language. You can scroll between English, French, and Spanish and then hit select to select the language. Once you set the language and the polarity reversal time, go ahead and hit the back button. This will get you out of the setup menu. Let's look at setting up and operating the Jandy TruClear saltwater system. It's a very easy and user-friendly system. InyoPools.com is a proud sponsor of swimming pool tips and have been helping pool owners find the right pool parts since 2001. With over 50,000 pool parts in stock, order online today and have your parts delivered right to your door.